My hands are freezing. Okay. Alright. Make sure. Get that piece. At first, Daddy, it would not break with the real hammer part, so I had to be like, yeah, yeah. Then it broke.
You're like, what? Alright, what's up everyone? I'm out here with Brooklyn again. It's the second day that we've had this cabbage now. So Brooklyn, go ahead and tell us about your cabbage. How's it looking in there?
Well, it's actually looking pretty good. We just watered it. And then looks like the plant got a lot better since yesterday too.
Oh yeah?
Since we got a lot more water.
Yeah, good.
And then it got some fresh air outside yesterday and some sunshine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. So we had it inside most of the day today. I should have got it out, but that's my bad, Brooklyn. I'm sorry, I forgot. I put it out this morning before I left. So anyway, I got it out this afternoon and got some sun. So tomorrow we're gonna have it outside most of the day. It's gonna be decent weather the next couple days. So we'll continue to keep it in this little smart pot here until we can just plant it outside. And then we've decided we're going to plant it in this big smart pot instead of the other one. So that was Brooklyn's decision. She decided she wanted to go with this bigger one instead. So we're going to try that. And then one other thing we're going to do is we've got some crimson clover, and we are going to grow this all throughout the bed as a cover crop, and we're going to go ahead and plant that now. And then whenever we plant the cabbage, we'll just plant it in the middle, and we'll have the clover growing all around it, and that clover will help feed the cabbage plant. We're also going to give it fertilizer as well, but the clover will just do a little bit more to help it. And I'll talk more about cover crops here soon, but if you want to know more about how clover works, just go on our website and search for cover crops, and you should be able to find some information that talks about cover crops and how that works. So anyway, we're going to go through and water this bed really well, because I haven't really watered it. We don't have the irrigation hooked up right now, so we're just going to hand water it with some watering cans. So we'll give it quite a bit of water, and then we'll go through and plant the crimson, and we'll get the cover back on the cabbage. And let's go ahead and get that back on there now. Just the wind's moving it around quite a bit. So let's take that, put it over there, and then kind of wrestle it in a little bit. So we'll bring this indoors tonight, and then in the morning put it back outside. So let's go ahead and take that off of there, and then we'll water in this bed really well, and then plant this clover. Okay, so we just did some watering, and I got to looking at the soil in this bed, and I think we need to do a little bit more to it before we plant anything in it. So we're going to get some compost from our compost bin over here. So we got some bags of leaves in the way right now, and I need to go through and sift the compost so that I can get the stuff that's ready out of this pile. So I'm going to do that tomorrow for Brooklyn while she's at school, so that when she gets home we've got some compost ready to add into the bed. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the cabbage situation. So the last video we recorded about this, we had a cabbage plant.
Yeah.
And now we do not have a cabbage plant. Tell us what happened, Brooklyn.
Well, our dog Minnie has eaten the whole entire plant. The roots, the stem, the leaves.
Ate it all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole plant.
So we spent the whole weekend driving all around Oklahoma trying to find another cabbage plant. We were not able to find one, but we do have good news. We were able to find seeds online, and we ordered them, and we got them in today. So I went and got our grower light set up. It's been over at my uncle's house for a while now.
Yeah.
So I went and got it and brought it over and got it all set up, and we are going to start seeds tomorrow. So you excited, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
excited to start a cabbage from seed.
Yeah.
And we could do another experiment too. We could start one, you know, out in this garden directly and just see how it does, and then start one indoors and see how it does. Compare them. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we're doing with the cabbage situation. So we will probably start shooting some new videos now tomorrow, showing how we're going to start our cabbage seeds indoors. So
I grow broccoli in just water, or maybe just soil and sun and water. And then the other one we could do what was it? Maybe like plant it in a soil, and then maybe not give it water and see what happens.
yeah,
And
I like
then
it.
whichever one, we'll do an experiment on which one turns out the best out of all of them.
I love it.
So
Let's do it.
I'll do that by my windowsill.
We can do some experiments here with our new grow setup that we
I
just set
have
up.
some windowsill area in my room right now.